clearly. Okay, Ananya?
Okay.
Yes? Okay, fine. Keshav. Keshav. Come on, sing Keshav. Pentagon rhyme or rocket rhyme. Any one rhyme.
Amoeba pentagon.
Pentagon.
The pentagon has my
Five
side,
sides.
five side,
Mm.
five side. The
Mm.
pentagon is
Has.
has five five
Sides.
sides.
1, 2,
One,
3, 4, 5.
five.
Very good. Rocket.
Okay, okay. Going up in space with the white moon with all the papers saying goodbye to all
Goes that.
goes the you look at high.
Very good. Very good. Caught cold, Keshav? Not feeling well? What did they do? Climate change, Keshav's mom?
It's a winter season, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Fine. Next, Sarah. Sarah. Sarah, what rhymes you know you can sing? Over, or under the web, rocket, or pentagon. Any rhyme.
Sarah,
Come on, sing, Sarah. Good morning, Marudwin.
Well, at my little soda god. Oh, well, can he be with its yet shall the days so long? Oh, well, can he be?
Okay, very good. Next rhyme. Another rhyme. What you know?
Under the web,
Mm. Beside the gate.
find
Mm.
a hamster, let's say,
8. Above.
about this fly. Busy
Busy
buzzing bee,
buzzing bee. 6. Black furry
has for it.
legs has she. Okay, fine, very good. Children, all of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Come on. Stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Yes, Mahini Kidzi Antamma. Kidzi Antam.
You
Mm.
are
You are unique.
unique.
My potential inside.
Inside.
You are the wings.
You are the
Mm. Beneath
wings.
my flight.
I
You define me. My potential inside.
see.
Today I pledge
I says
with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Yes. Very good morning to everyone. Thank you, Mahini. Good morning. Okay. Very good morning to everyone. Okay, today shall we play the color game? Color, what color do you choose? Shall we play? Are you all ready? Okay, come on. Color, what color do you choose? I choose blue. Blue color. Blue. Very nice, Visha. Blue. Yeah, water bottle, dress, another dress, toy, box, pen, snacks packet. Very good. Blue. Yes, box. Mahini box. Darshan also. Very good. Okay, next color. Color, what color do you choose? Orange. Orange. Come on. Orange. Yes, very nice. Good. Very good. Okay. Next. Color, color. What color do you choose? Green. Green. Come on. Green. Yes. Green color toy again. Green color dress. Mirror. Okay. And then green color paint. What is it? Something. I don't know. Okay. Varsha, something she has brought. Okay. Fine. Green color. Something packet. Toy packet. Okay. Very good, very good. Okay, cap. Okay, very good. Okay, next color, the final color. Color, color. What color do you choose? It is
Yellow.
yellow. Come on, yellow. Yes, again uniform. Kids uniform. Ah, very good. Yes, yellow. Rudwin. What is that? Something a toy. Okay. Yellow color. Yellow color. That's green color, ma. What is it, Kesha? Yellow. Your dress is yellow color?
It's yellow
Yellow
color, ma'am.
color. Yeah, yellow color, but it looks like green here. Okay, fine.
Okay.
Good. Taruneshwar toy and then pen cap. Good. Varsha is having all the colors in one toy. Good. And then duck toy. Okay, good. Car. Very good. Very good. Okay, now all of you go drink one glass of water and come back for attendance. Dashwan.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes? Very good, Madhashwan. Hazel. Hazel. Hazel is absent today. Oh. Jason. Jason. Good morning, ma Jason.
Here I am, so to say.
Keshav. Keshav.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Keshav. Radhyani.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Radhyani. Rudvin. Very good, ma Rudvin. Sarah.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Sarah. Ananya.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Ananya. Sukriv Gautam.
சுப்ரியா
Sukriv Gautam.
சொல்லுங்க மேம் கிட்ட தண்ணி அப்புறம் குடிங்க.
Yeah,
Very good, Sukriv Gautam. Visha.
ma'am.
Very good, Visha. Kavi Kartika.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, ma. Next, Mahirini. Mahirini.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Mahirini. Mitra. Very good, Mitra. Taruneshwar.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Taruneshwar. Varsha.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Varsha. Vihan. Vihan. Vihan is absent today. Okay, fine. Next is our rhyme session. Rhymes today, ma'am is going to sing only the butterfly rhyme. Sarah, don't lick your hand like that. Okay, butterfly rhyme. Okay. First comes the butterfly and lays an egg. Out comes the caterpillar with many legs. The caterpillar spins and forms a chrysalis. Out comes the butterfly and blows a kiss. Okay, and the next time is What rhyme shall I sing? Rocket, rocket, okay? Rocket, rocket, going up in space. With the white moon it will race. To all the people saying goodbye. Goes the astronaut in his rocket high. Okay, next we'll see some phonics recap. Okay, we have already learned three phonics. Okay, one is CH, another one is TH, another one is SH. Now, all of you, I'm going to write the phonic sound in the slate. You are going to tell me the sound and the action. Okay, are you all ready? Yeah? Okay. What is the sound of this and action? What is the sound and action for this phonic? What is the action and sound? Ka 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 no cha 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 cha. Okay, next. Okay, next. Okay, and next is TH. TH. Tha. Nod your head and say tha. Ta 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 ta. ஏதாவது தாங்கன்னு கேட்போம் இல்லையா த this is the okay and next today we are going to learn a new phonic sound that is ng and the sound is ing. How the bell will ring ding dong ன்னு sound கேட்கும் இல்லையா so that is ng sound and the action is like this. How the bell will ring like this. Okay, so this is the action. Ng sounds. Ng. Ing. King. Sing. Ring. Wing. All these words you can hear the sound. Okay, so let us see some pictures related to it. You are going to tell me whether it is ch sound, sh sound, th sound, or ing sound. Okay. Is my screen visible?
No, ma'am.
Oh. Now? Visible? Huh? Yeah. CH sound. Yes, thank you, ma. CH, cha, 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 cha. Okay. So the first picture. What is it? Cha, cha, chair. Cha, cha, chair. You can see CH here. With that itself, you can identify that is CH sound. Okay. Cha, cha, chair. Okay. And next, cha, cha. Very good. Cha, cha, charger. Very good. Okay, next one. Cha, cha, chicken. Cha, cha, chick or chicken. Okay. Cha, cha, child. Child. Okay. Next. Cha, cha, chin. Chin. Cha, cha, chips. Chips. Okay. Next. Cha, cha, chocolate. Yeah, chocolate. Very good. Next is SH sound. Shh, 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 shh. Okay. So the first picture, shark. Okay, it starts with SH. You can see here. SH. Okay, shark. Next, sheep. Shell. Shin-chan. Shin-chan. Okay. Next is ship. Ship. Okay. What is this? Shoe, not chew. கிடையாது. Shoe. Okay. Next one. Shop. Shop. Okay, next is the TH sound. That is the the sound. Nod your head and say the. Okay, the. Thumb. Thumb. Okay. Bath. Here you can see TH. Bath. Bath. Okay, how will you blend this? Okay, now I'm going to tell you how to blend this word. B sounds TH is the. So, bath, bath. Okay. Next, thunder. Thunder. Here you can see TH. Thunder. Here you can see TH. Thunder. Okay. Next is three. See here TH. TH sounds three. And next is the sound that we learned now. NG. What is that sound? Like how the bell rings. NG means sound. எப்ப கேட்டாலும் கரெக்டா சொல்லணும். NG means N sounds G sounds together. Okay, NG means Okay, now the pictures. King. Okay, shall I tell you how to blend this word king? K sounds K, I sounds E. Together, key. K, E, key. And NG is ing. Key, ing, king. Yes? Key, K-I is key. And NG is ing. Together, key, ing, king. Okay? Next one, ring, the same way. Re. And then NG is ing. Re-ing, ring. Re-ing, ring. Okay? And then next is sing. Sing also you can blend it easily, children. How will you blend sing? Can anyone tell me? Now I have taught you 2 words how to blend. Sing, how will you blend? S sound.
அப்படி இல்ல தனித்தனியா சொல்லு.
S sound.
அதோட சவுண்ட் என்ன?
I sounds E. Together E C.
NG
E C and NG is ing. Together C ing sing. That's it. And next is wing. V. NG is ing. Ing wing. Okay, W sounds I sounds E. EU senda V. Okay, and then NG sound is ing. You know that. So together V and ing rendume seta wing. Okay, it's easy, children. So one more time, NG sounds alone we'll have a recap. King. You can see NG in the ending, children. Okay. King. Ring.
NG வந்து இங்ல முடியணும் அங்க பாரு. Ring.
Sing. Wing. Can you all hear the sound கேக்குதா எல்லாருக்கும்? Can you hear? Wing, sing, ring, king. Yeah, very good, Sukrim. கேக்குது. Okay, fine. So this is NG worksheet. Now shall we do the worksheet? I want you to take D97 PH. D97 PH worksheet. Here we are going to just add NG. Ananya's mom, if you are not having this worksheet, please copy it in English notebook.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. The PH and CHSH I was able to find in the worksheet 4, ma'am.
Yeah, I thought it will be there. Okay, you check for NG also whether it is there.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Thank you.
It may be misplaced because in the old book we have this sheet, so definitely it will be there. Maybe it would have been misplaced in some other book. That's it. Okay. So yes. NG also you check it. If you don't have, I'll send you the PDF copy as usual. Take a printout and pin it along with that sheet. Okay?
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Thank you,
Yeah,
ma'am.
thank you. Yeah, welcome. Come on, children, write today's date. Today's date is 2/3/23 dash 11/11 dash 21/21. The day is Tuesday. The month is November. Children, hereafter you should write your date here, children. Date here. Okay, write the date here. No need to write on top of the worksheet because you have come to term 2. So we are going to end term 2. So you have to write here only. Okay? No one write up. Now come on. D97PH.
Okay.
Okay, here the girl is singing. So sing. 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 Just add NG, children. That's it. Sing. Next is wing. King. Ring. In assessment, we'll be giving you the pictures and you have to find out whether which sound it belongs, children. For the assessment, it will be in that way, okay? We'll be giving some, like for example, we'll be giving king picture and we'll be asking to which phonic sound does it belong? CH, TH, SH or NG. So the correct answer you have to choose. So it will be in that way, okay? So be clear with the sounds, children. When you pronounce it repeatedly only, you will find out the phonic sound in that picture. By seeing itself, you cannot identify the phonic sound. Phonic sound repeated சொல்ல சொல்ல தான் உங்களுக்கு தெரியும், okay? Next here, SING, sing. SONG, SO, so, NG, ing, song, song. Next, RI, re, NG, ing, ing, ring. Next, W sounds W, I sounds E, WI, ing, wing. And the next is HA, NG, ing. When you blend it together, hang. LO, L sounds L, O sounds O, long. Parents, if you are trying to make your child read new words also, try it with the easier one because there are many words that will not go along with the correct phonics. It is all because of the vowels present in that word. So please don't go for complicated words. Just go along with the phonics. எதெல்லாம் phonics sound சொல்ல சொல்ல blend ஆக்க முடியுமோ அது மட்டும் சொல்லி கொடுங்க. Okay, there are many words which will be, when we blend it, it will become different. It will not match with the phonics. So that type of words, please don't go through those words. Then they will forget the whole thing. Finish, children?
Finish, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, Mavisha. Shall we move on to our next worksheet? Okay, next worksheet will be D95LT. Those who have finished, take D95LT. You will have GHIJKL. Trace it. Trace the capital letter and the small letter and then match it, children. D95LT. HA worksheet. Yeah, very good, Mahirini.
Sorry, ma'am. D9.
D95LT. Capital letters and small letters will be given. Trace it and then match it, children. Yeah, do it, children. I'll be back 1 minute. Yes, finish.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Mavisha. Good. Easy, only children, do it fast. Mitra, finish, ma.
Ma'am, it's D95MT.
LT.
LT.
It will be like this.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Freeze,
Ma'am, what are the
ma'am.
letters, ma'am?
GHIJKL.
Okay, jumbled.
Yeah. Capital letters will be in order. Small letters they have to match. Jumbled.
Freeze, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, Makesha.
Okay, done.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, well done.
Finish.
Well done. Good. Those who are finished, take your colors. Okay, and take worksheet number D96CT. D96CT and then color it. Okay, according to the colors given in that worksheet. D96CT. 3 types of transport are given there. One is land transport, next is water transport, and next is air transport. For land transport, you will be giving red color. And air transport blue, water transport yellow. So which is the land transport here? Can anyone tell me? Which is the land transport here? Which is the land transport in this worksheet? Look at the screen and tell me. What ma?
Yeah.
Road roller. This is road roller. Cement roller. Okay, cement roller or cement mixer, whatever it is. Very good, Taruneshwar. Next, which is the water transport here, Mahirini? Which is the water transport here in this worksheet? Look at the screen.
Ship.
Huh? Ship. Very good. Okay, then which is the air transport here?
Air
You can say.
transport.
Name that air transport. We already colored it. What is that?
அது பேர் என்ன?
Glider. Very good. Who said it? Glider. Good.
Glider. Okay.
Good. Glider, cement mixer, and then ship. So according to the colors given here, color it. Okay. First color the land transport with red, air transport with blue, and then last you have to color the water transport. Make it fast, children. We have another activity also. Make it fast. One by one, finish it according to the order. Okay. Dashwana, Mahiniya. Who finished? Yeah, good. Supri finished? Good. Yeah, good ma Supri. Yes, Kavi Kartika, good. Good, Mitra, good. Rudin finished coloring? Rudvin? What are the pictures given in that worksheet, Rudvin? என்னென்ன pictures இருக்கு worksheetல?
சரி இது சொல்லு.
ஆ?
சத்தமா சொல்லு. சரி இது.
Ship? ஆ. Glider.
Glider.
Glider. Radyani, don't get diverted towards your sister. Come on, finish your work. It's very nice, Makesha. So all of you have finished? Keep your books aside. Who is still doing your worksheet? Let me know.
Ananya is still doing, ma'am.
I'm really going to finish.
Yeah. Radyani's mom, she is easily getting distracted. So make her sister, you keep her separately during the session, okay?
Today all are in busy so only na.
Okay,
All
fine.
are business.
Because she is easily getting distracted, looking behind
Okay,
what her sister is doing.
Yeah, I know.
Fine. Make it fast, Ananya. Jason, finish.
Finish.
What did you finish? What are the vehicles in that worksheet?
சொல்லு.
What this?
இது என்னது? அதானே சொன்னேன்.
Airline boat.
ஏர் டிரான்ஸ்போர்ட்.
Huh?
Rider.
ஃபைட்டர் இல்ல.
Glider. Very good. Next.
Rider.
இது
Hmm.
இது தெரியும்ல சொல்லு.
Human rights.
சத்தமா.
Human rights.
இது
Two.
சத்தமா.
Ship.
Two.
Ship. Very good. Okay, keep your books aside.
The glider, glider. Okay.
Finish, ma, Ananya.
Finish, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Okay. All of you look at the screen. Keep your books aside. Don't close your book. Keep it aside. First, listen what you are going to learn now. Okay. Today we are going to learn same and different. You know what is same and different? We have while doing our maths worksheet also. I've asked you this number is same or different. You very well know. But we are going to see today with the objects. Okay. So you are going to find out with the objects which I am showing is same or different. நான் காட்டுற ஆப்ஜெக்ட் சேமா ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கா இல்ல டிஃப்ரெண்ட் வேற மாதிரி இருக்கான்னு சொல்லணும். சேம்னா ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கிறது, சேம் டு சேம். டிஃப்ரெண்ட்னா வேற மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஓகே, இட் will not look alike. சரிங்களா? ஓகே, now சேம் ஆர் டிஃப்ரெண்ட்? சேமா டிஃப்ரெண்டா? ரெண்டுமே ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கா இல்ல வேற மாதிரி இருக்கா? Same only, because this is also this is also a red color cube and this is also a red color cube. Now I am going to show you another one. Same or different?
Different.
Same or different, children?
Different.
Only Visha is answering. What about others? Same or different? Different. வேற மாதிரி இருக்கு. This is red color cube and this is orange color cube and the shape is also different. Okay, this is a square shape and this is triangle shape. Okay, so this is different. இது ஒரே மாதிரி இல்ல, இது வேற மாதிரி இருக்கு. So this is different. வேற மாதிரி இருக்கிறது in English what we'll say, it is different. Okay, now the next one, semicircle shape, same or different? Same, ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கு, same. Okay, now same or different? Same or different? Different. வேற இது ஒரு மாதிரி இருக்கு, இது ஒரு மாதிரி இருக்கு. Okay, so both are different. Okay, okay, now one by one I'm going to call and ask you. First is Mahirini. Mahirini, same or different?
நல்லா பார்த்து சொல்லுங்க.
Same or different?
இது ரெண்டும்
Same. Okay, now this one, same or different? Different. Very good. Next is Jason. Jason, same or different? Same. Same or different?
Different.
Very good. Radhyani. Radhyani. Same or different, Radhyani?
Same, ma'am.
Same. Now?
Different, ma'am.
Different. Very good. Sarah.
Different.
Sarah. Different.
Different.
Sarah, same or different?
Same.
Same. Now is it same or different?
Different.
Very good. Dashwan Velan. Same or different?
Same.
Same. Same or different?
Different.
Very good. Varsha. Varsha. Same or different, Varsha?
Same.
Same. Now? Okay. Match with the colors. Same color or different color?
Same color or different color?
Same color.
Same color, red and blue, same color.
Same.
Different color.
Different. வேற வேற கலர் இல்லையாடா கண்ணா இது? This is red, this is blue. அப்ப வேற வேற தானே, different. Okay, okay, next is Kavi Karthika. Kavi Karthika, same or different? Same or different? ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கா, வேற மாதிரி இருக்கா? Same. Very good. Okay, now this one, same or different?
Different.
Very good. Different. Visha. Visha.
Yes, ma'am.
Same or different?
Same.
Same. Now same or different?
No.
Different ன்னு சொல்லணும். No சொல்லக்கூடாது. Okay? Okay. Mitra. Yeah, thank you, ma. Mitra.
Yes, ma'am.
Same or different?
Same.
Same. Now?
Different.
Very good. Keshav. Same or different?
Same.
Okay. Now?
Different.
Different. Rudvin. Rudvin. Same or different?
Same.
Same or different? Same. Now? Same or different? Different. Different. Very good. Ananya. Ananya. Same or different?
Same.
Same. Now?
Different.
Different. Did I miss out anyone? Everyone I asked. Taruneshwar. Taruneshwar. Supri Gautam also. Okay. Different. Addi kadike podu. Same or different?
Same.
சேமா இருக்கா டிஃப்ரெண்டா இருக்காமா? சேம்னா ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கிறது. லுக் ஹியர், இங்க பார்க்காம எப்படி சொல்லுவீங்க? கம் ஆன் லுக் ஹியர். சேம். ஓகே, நவ திஸ் ஒன் சேம் ஆர் டிஃப்ரெண்ட்?
Different.
Very good. Sukrit Gautam. Sukrit Gautam. Same or different?
Different.
டிஃப்ரெண்டா இருக்கா?
Different அம்மா. பாருங்க ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கா டிஃப்ரெண்டா?
இல்ல. ஒரே மாதிரி இல்ல.
Then it is same.
சேம்.
சேம்னு சொல்லணும். ஓகே, ஒரே மாதிரி இருந்தா சேம் சொல்லணும். ஓகே, சேம். Now same or different?
Different.
Different. வேற வேற மாதிரி இருக்கு. Okay, this is different. Okay, now all of you take a very good mark. Sukrit, take your worksheet, children. Worksheet number 1. Worksheet number is D100LT. D100LT, you yourself do this worksheet, children. You are going to circle the odd animal in each row. That is different animal in each row. In a row, there are some animals given. Find out which is the different animal in that row and then you circle. Do it on your own. D100LT. Your worksheet will be like this. Circle the odd animal out. Odd nalum different nalum ஒரே meaning தான். Okay? If it is asked odd na, don't get confused. Odd and different means the same. So first row you have cow, calf, a puppy, again cow, calf. Which is different in this row? Finished. Which is different in this row? First tell me. First row, which is different? Dog. Very good. Because all are cow and calf. Only dog is the different one. Odd one here. Okay. Next, second row, giraffe, calf, and fox. Which is different? Which is different? Fox. Very good. Okay. Next, elephant, zebra, elephant, zebra, calf, again elephant, calf. Which is different? Zebra. Very good. Children, the engine of animals also you should know. Okay. And then here, cat, kitten, cow, cat, kitten. Cow. Cow that different because all are cat here. Cat, kitten, cow is different in that row, so circle cow. Finish. Next is D97CT. Take D97CT, children. Your worksheet will be like this. Do you have this sheet? Yeah, that only Ananya's one. D97CT. Now here 3 places are given. One is air, water, land. That is the road is given. So you have to match which vehicle goes on the road, which vehicle goes on water, and which goes in the air. Okay, this is air. You can see the sky here. So this is air. Here you can see water. So this is water transport. And here you can see the road here. This is land transport. Come on, match it quickly. Very easy, children. Match it fast. You have to follow the dots, children. Okay? See here. Follow the dots and go here. like this. It will go in a zigzag manner, reach the parachute, hot air balloon here. And then water from here, you have to go and reach the ship. And then land from here, you will follow the dots and reach this car. Finished? And take the next page, children. The worksheet which you have done, take the next page. Again, you will be having P2M. MNOPQR. Capital letters to the small letters. That's it. Match it. Over. That's it for today. Worksheet is over.
Ma'am, last you said which page number, ma'am?
D97 LT.
7.
Now we have done one sheet, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Transport worksheet. Next to the transport worksheet, you will have this sheet.
Yeah.
The cloud worksheet.
Ah. Okay.
Yeah.
So what what's the total letters in this, ma'am?
Trace it and match it, children. Kavi Kartika. Did you do your worksheet? Let me see. Show it. No, Mama. Why? The worksheet edunga. Take this worksheet. Do it. Come on. Parents, we are having Children's Day celebration on Friday. So you can dress up your child regarding what prop talk they are going to talk. For example, if they are going to talk about a peacock or an animal, have to dress them up like that in the same way and then teach them any 5 to 10 lines regarding that. Okay? Maximum 5 lines it should be there. Easy and simple sentences you teach them. Children, try to participate in that. You will get a certificate also. So everyone try to participate on that day. Okay. So whatever costume you are going to select, please message me in group. Type your child name and the type of prop talk they are going to do.
But
Yeah.
THE is the and TH is also the, ma'am.
Yeah. E is a vowel. That's what I'm telling you. Each and every word will not go along with the phonic correctly. So it depends upon the vowel included in that word.
ஓகே 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 ஏன்னா அவன் கரெக்டா இல்லன்னு சொல்ல மாட்டேங்கிறான். அது எனக்கு எப்படி சொல்லி கொடுக்கணும்னு தெரியல.
That's what TH னா th sound மட்டும் சொல்லி கொடுங்க. That's enough.
THE நாலும் த தான்.
The
ஓகே ஓகே.
Finished, ma'am.
Yes.
Finished.
Is there anyone who have decided what prop talk we are going to do on Friday?
Finished, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, Visha. Anyone?
For Ananya, I've planned for chef, ma'am.
Chef, very good. Super. Okay, fine. Next.
Magalini planning about astronaut.
Astronaut.
Yeah.
Super. Good. Okay, just type their name Mahini astronaut so that others will not repeat the same. Okay? Just type your child name and the type of prop talk they are going to do.
Okay.
And then Ananya's mom also type her name and the costume which she is going to do.
Okay.
Okay?
In group or single?
In group only.
Okay.
So that the other parents, they will not repeat the same. Hey, what, Jason? Very happy today. What happened?
I was just playing all day.
Huh?
Ma'am திட்டுவாங்க உன்னை, நீ என்ன பண்ணிருக்க?
What he did?
Ma'am, he likes to do that sort of pages, ma'am. So he turned over and did it and shouting, ma'am.
Why I'm going to shout for that? Nothing. Very good boy, Jason. He himself is taking initiative, no? Good. Thank you. Jason, you are a good boy, Jason. Very good boy. Okay, today I'm going to give stars for everyone. Okay, so you can ask your favorite color star. Okay, what color star you need, Jason? Yellow star for Jason.